All right, Pouring Nation, today we're going to mix two of the other experiments I've done on my channel today. A few weeks ago I did a pour with the G cloud funnel pour. This was one of the paintings that I got out of that. And last week I did a review of the Nova Color acrylic paint. So today we're going to mix kind of those two together. The Nova Color paints I used are the Pyrrole Red, which is here, and then the medium violet, which is here. And then for these two colors, I actually am using the Arteza Pearl Amethyst for this purpley color. And then the Studio or Pabeo Rich Gold. And this Rich Gold, I actually added a teeny tiny bit of fluid quinacridone violet just to make it a little bit of a pink gold instead of a regular gold, or a rose gold, I guess you could call it. And then I have my base color, I have my lacing color, and my cloud pour. I am doing it on a 12-inch circle board that I got. A friend gave these to me. They're 12-inch, quarter-inch circles from Woodpeckers. So I might make clocks out of these if they turn out well. So I'll probably do two, I think. So let's get to it. So first, as always, we're going to use our base coat. I'm just using white for this. About half of my base coat. This is not sticking well. This is just on my cake spinner. This is saran wrap on top. Well, the sticky saran wrap. I can't remember what it's called. But it's kind of moving a little bit. So I'm going to... A lot of people put just a little bit of paint back there to kind of hold it, which works great. I may want to keep this back a little bit more pretty. So I'm going to put a little bit of frog tape down. Center this. That way I can spin it a little more aggressively, especially for this base coat. And if I need to move it, I can just move the whole thing. And we're going to need more base coat. I might have to make some more of that up in between here, but we'll see. There we go. Got a piece of something in there. I can tell you G does this way better than I do. My patience when I'm pouring, I just want to go, 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 and gets me into trouble like this. But it's all right. Still have a lot of fun. That's what it's all about, right? Pop all my bubbles, at least the big ones. So next we're going to get our funnel. Pop it down here and hold it tight. And again with G's cloud funnel technique, first thing he does, put a little bit of the lacing mix. I want purple to come out first. We'll put a little bit of that down first. Get a little bit of the, just make sure this is the cloud version. Oh, that's the lacing. The cloud. You need to get way up in your business here. And there we go. So let's now we'll give this a little bit of time to form. I'm already getting some nice cells there, which I love. I might speed this up a little bit. If I do, I'll put a little icon in the top. Now I don't normally use my torch very much, but I'm going to do it a little bit. All right. Now this is off-centered just slightly, so I'm going to push it. And again, my patience kills me here, but we're going to spin this very soft. So one way to tell if you're spinning too much or you don't have enough paint is see how those kind of got jagged on the outside and they're more circular in the middle. I just spun it a little bit too much. Let's do a second one, change up the colors, see if we can't get something a little bit better. Let's pull this off. Get a new piece of wood. Center it as much as we can. Made up a new base coat. Probably a little overkill, but you know what? We're okay with that. All right, so we've just put a random set of colors in this. So I added a little bit of black to my lacing mix. So it's kind of a gray, give it a little contrast to the other colors. I mixed my purple and my red. I made up a metallic blue. Let's do it this way. Let's do our metallic purple first. Now, Again, we'll give it a minute to develop. It's interesting how the blue and the white interacted. I wonder if my cloud mix was a little bit too thick, so it didn't kind of come in a little bit of transparent. And because it was too thick, it mixed with the blue and just made these kind of blue colored clouds. Not bad, not what I was expecting, but not bad. Still got work to do, G, but one of these days, I'm gonna get one just like you.